everyone, so today I'm doing a Pincurl hair tutorial. I'm going to blow dry it, Pincurl up, and I'll show you the end result. This one was actually requested by a subscriber, so if there's anything else you would like to see, do comment in the comment section below and you might get your video that you want to see uploaded. The end result, so I hope you enjoy. So I hope you enjoy. So first off, I'm using my Extra Body Daily Boost by Paul Mitchell. And I just spray that onto my root area. I'm then using my favourite Moroccan oil. I just pull this through the mid-lengths and ends. So I've actually left my hair in the towel after I washed it, so it's kind of damp already. I would suggest rough drying it if it's really wet, just to get it a little bit dry, and it will just make it a little bit easier for you. But where this has been sitting in the towel, it's a little bit dry. So I'll section off the top section of my hair. So I'm going to start off with this bottom section of my hair, and I'm going to blow dry it with a nice big round brush. Aim the hairdryer downwards and don't hold it onto the hair too long or too close to the hair, as you will burn your hair, which is never a good look. So as you can see, I'm using one of the really big brushes. So when that section of hair is actually dry, I then roll it up around the hairbrush, and then that just gives it its little bit of curl, so it makes it a bit easier for you, the pin curls to go up. You get this wave. And then that's my first section done. So I move on to the next section. And it's pretty much as easy as that. So then I move on to the next section. And I will repeat this process all the way up until I get to my parting. So now moving on to the top section, I will start back and work forward. So start the crown, Pincurl section. Again, the smaller the sections, the easier it will be to dry. Clip that out the way.
And then work forward.
Okay, so I've blow dried it all smooth. I put in the volume where I need it. And now, all I'm going to do is Pincurl. So now I've got a hair grip and a comb. And I'm using Pincurl Design Spray. This is my favourite hairspray at the moment. So I start off at my parting. I'm going to roll it back along the parting. So I take a bit of hair from either side. And start at the crown. Again, section off the hair you're not working on. And then I just give it a light spritz of hairspray. Roll the hair up nice and tight. Then I pin it in place. Then I do the next one exactly the same. Spritz of hairspray. Okay. You can make sections as big or as small as you like, depending on how tight you like your curl to be. My hair's quite curly, so it holds very well. So now I'm all pinned up, I'm going to spritz again with my design spray. So I'm going to leave these in now. I would say leave them in at least a couple of hours, but as soon as the hair starts to feel really cold, they should have taken, but the longer you leave them, the better. I am actually going to go to bed soon, so I'm going to leave these in because I think it's like 10 o'clock at night. So I'm going to actually leave these in overnight, which I have done loads of times before, and then I can show you that you can actually sleep in these and you still get the same effect. It still works, and they're a lot more comfortable than sleeping in rollers. So it'd be great for your Christmas parties if you haven't got time for your hair in the morning to get them pin curled at night, and it will still have the same effect. So yeah, I will see you all in the morning. Good night. So I've left the pin curls in overnight. I've just taken them out and run my fingers through my hair, and this is the end result. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more coming up, do comment in the comment sections below, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.